Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Udah 1 minggu saya nggak bikin video, bahkan yang icip-icip internasional pun jadwalnya saya cancel karena Dallasnya Khitanan pemirsa. Jadi saya harus menjagain Dallas, tidak kemana-mana dan tidak juga sibuk sana-sini. Hampir saja saya mau pergi ke Indonesia coba untuk Khitanan Dallas ya, karena umur Dallas yang 7 tahun ini nggak banyak yang menerima. Sampai-sampai Sab juga bantuin saya cari tempat hitanan anak dia dulu nggak menerima karena anak Sab itu di bawah 1 tahun, anak laki-lakinya udah di hitanan. Sab juga hampir kaget sih ya pas ngedengar Dallasnya belum, karena saya nggak tahu, yang taunya saya kalau di Indonesia umur-umur yang segini aja sih yang tepatnya ya. Pernah sih dengar umur-umur anak-anak bayi, tapi bagi saya ya, saya sebagai orang tua umur-umur masih 1 tahun itu masih stres-stresnya ya, baru aja dapat anak, stres menyusui, terus udah gitu setiap hari ngecek berat badan, diimunisasi juga kadang-kadang takut habis diimunisasi kan suka demam dan sebagainya, apalagi itu untuk di Khitanan ya, masih kecil tuh. Kalau saya flashback waktu umur Dallas di 1 tahun itu mungkin saya nggak mau, apalagi Richie. Bagi saya juga umur 7 tahun ini adalah umur yang tepat karena Dallas juga sudah mengetahui dan sudah belajar di sekolah tentang anatomi tubuh dan sebagainya. Dia sudah paham dan mengerti mengapa dan kenapa harus Khitanan dalam agamanya. Jadi bagi saya juga mudah untuk menjelaskan. Saya cari informasi dari berbagai sumber, akhirnya ada yang di London yang nerima umur 3 sampai ke atas. Waktu kami pergi ke Londonnya telatnya 2 jam karena jalan tol yang menuju ke London itu ditutup. Jadi kami diarahkan oleh satelit satnavnya ke jalan yang kecil-kecil dan semua orang juga terjebak di sana. Akhirnya kami mau pulang ya, tapi kata saya biarin aja kita telat, telepon aja dokternya, semoga aja diterima. Untung alhamdulillah ya akhirnya diterima. Dan biasanya perjalanan dari Birmingham ke London itu sekitar 2 jaman. Jadi kami butuh waktu 9 jam di mobil pulang pergi. Kebayangkannya perjalanan dan perjuangan Dallas untuk Khitanan ini pemirsa. Hanya saya yang mengerti di sini dengan Richie, dengan mertua saya kurang begitu mengerti juga kenapa harus di Khitanan. Pokoknya banyak problema lah ya. Pengalaman sekali, ternyata nggak mudah ya kalau untuk umur 7 tahun ke atas begitu. Tapi kalau untuk di bawah umur 1 tahun sih banyak banget di Birmingham itu, banyak banget Khitanan yang menerima, dan banyak banget di UK ini. Tapi itulah yang menerimanya umur di bawah 1 tahun. Dan ada juga sih yang umur dewasa juga, tapi udah masuknya ke dalam operasi yang benar-benar ya. Nah, biaya Khitanan di sini berapa? Pasti mau tahu ya. Nah, untuk standar biaya Khitanan ini sekitar untuk umur 7 tahun sampai 9 tahun itu sekitar 7 juta sampai dengan 10 juta. Ada juga yang saya udah kontak umur untuk Dallas umur 7 tahun, pokoknya dewasa di atas 1 tahun ya. Itu ada juga yang 30 juta pemirsa. Nah, itu hampir saja kami mau pergi yang ke 30 juta itu. Tapi begitu saya lihat websitenya, udah kontak orangnya, rasanya itu complicated banget ya bacanya juga. Ya Allah, ini bener-bener serius operasi dan begini penyembuhannya 2 sampai 4 minggu dan sebagainya. Karena itu memang bener orang-orang yang medis banget, yang bener untuk jalur operasi dan sebagainya, pakai jahit. Kata saya kok di Indonesia gampang banget tanpa jahit, tanpa apapun ada. Alhamdulillah akhirnya saya ketemu tempat yang pas bagi saya, yang orang tuh sudah biasa, dan dokternya itu muslim dan memang pekerjaan dia untuk menghitanan anak ya, bukan di jalur yang operasi dan sebagainya. Ini hitanannya juga tanpa jahit, tanpa gunting dan sebagainya ya. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kami merayakan hari Dallas. Dia menjadi seorang laki-laki muslim, dan hari ini juga saya akan masak makanan kesukaan Dallas. Requestnya empek-empek kata Dallas ya, ayam pepes, dan Richie maunya nasi bakar, jadi ayam pepes di dalamnya ada nasi bakar gitu aja, pangsi. Dan kesukaannya ada lemon cake. Dan kami merayakan hari Khitanan Dallas. Oke, jadi tungguin aja video icip-icip internasional minggu depan, insya Allah ada. Karena benar-benar saya fokus minggu ini permisa, ini juga di weekend ini karena Dallas udah 5 hari ya, udah membaik dan udah nyaman. Saya juga nyaman juga beraktivitas.
Happy Winky Day.
Oh dear. You getting money? Hang on. Can Granddad see the scar?
No.
Can you see the
it's private.
operation? No, you can't.
It's private.
Yeah. Go on then. See you at your winky day.
Winky day.
So you got money from Nani Granddad. Oh, happy winky day. Lucky you.
Unbelievable.
Happy winky
Come on in. Shall we put that on one side for you then?
It's celebration, isn't it?
Restoran open.
What are we're celebrating Happy Winky Day, are we? What, is it because Dallas has been circumcised? Is that what it is?
Nah, hari ini kami merayakan
Winky
Winky
Day!
day. Winky day.
That's an English version of saying he's been circumcised, so we're calling it Winky Day.
Jadi hitanan pemirsa. Jadi Dallas baru seminggu yang lalu disunat. Jadi hari ini kami merayakan sunatan Dallas ya. Jadi mereka bilangnya Winky Day. So, Dallas, are you happy? So we have yes. Oh, mommy cook your favorite food. Okay, Dallas.
Thank you.
I've ate 45 chilies in a row. Granddad hasn't.
No.
Empe-empe. Dallas like empe-empe. And spring roll.
Peppers.
That is peppers and rice.
And what's in that?
No, that's
what's
fish
that called?
in there, what's that?
Lemon
That's on
cake.
Beyond. It's fish again, but it's a different way. This is in like a pastry, that isn't.
I think I need a fork.
Yeah. And lemon cake.
Oh, looks very nice.
Yes. Nani Granddad on diet sih kan?
No.
We were on a diet until we saw that lemon cake.
Oh, lovely lemon cake then.
Mummy.
It's like you.
Spring
Wait.
rolls over there if you want
Wait.
vegetable spring rolls.
Yeah.
Dal, can you pass a few? Oh,
Spring rolls.
pass a few spring rolls over, mate.
How many?
Go on, keep bringing them. Yeah, there's another one. Something so on. So got.
Yes, the rice. Enjoy everybody.
I love them, don't they? That's your favourite.
What a
And these
croquet.
Birkenells.
What a croquet.
The potato with the.
This open when I cook. Hot.
Okay, thank you.
That is not spicy. This Nani, you want a hot one? This is not spicy. This is a spicy.
I didn't really like the spring roll.
Some on there.
Okay. First thing, you can't grab my food. It's protected by my leaves. So now I don't need to do this, I can just do this.
You'd have thought they bought you some presents, wouldn't you, Dal? Cool.
Why didn't they bring it back?
I didn't realise that you
We didn't realise it was
Yeah,
a
presents for
celebration
monkeys.
Winky day.
Granddad.
Imagine going to this card shop. Seriously. Got any cards for celebrating Winky Day? Oh, funny enough, yes we have. They're just over it.
Or they will say to the manager, get out of here.
Yeah.
I didn't know that you did. You know, I thought it was just Jewish.
We just thought it was a normal little snip, and that was it. We didn't realise it was a major operation and a celebration after.
Oh yes.
Happy Winky Day!
That's why he like it. The celebration one.
We don't do it.
Yes.
When the doctor saw it, did he say, "Oh, goodness"?
What a perfect Winky.
Is it true?
Nanny's not a rice lover.
Noodles.
I'm a rice lover.
Yeah.
I like rice. I like everything. Mummy,
Yeah.
can I have one of these and one of these and then I'm done?
Yeah, sure, please. That's
These
your-
two and then I'm done.
Yes.
So are we going to share this lemon cake, Nanny?
Yeah.
I thought it was for us.
No, it's for Winky.
Winky man.
Winky Day.
I know about the Jewish because I've got several friends Jewish. And they did the same. They had a party afterwards.
Oh really? Oh, Jews also they have.
Yeah.
Oh.
When he was about 18 or 20.
No,
They
No.
did it
7, 8, 9.
It's like sooner it's done the better.
Dallas.
Dal in the middle or empty, Dal. How about you swing?
Oh, I know.
I think you won't be able to get on there, Dan.
He forgot himself and then he ran round it.
Oh, you forgot you running.
Jumped up on the top.
I didn't
It
realise.
makes no difference about religion, really. All right,
It
they might
is.
have to do it. They might watch it, but it's the same with us.
Well, I don't really know a lot about religion.
Okay.
Some people, circumcision is because of the hygiene, is it? And health.
There's other reasons as well.
There's a
There's
lot of
health
reasons.
reasons as well as that, but majority of it is religious.
Yeah.
No, I only thought it was Jewish. It's probably because I knew Jewish and I knew they had it done.
Very nice, Yuni.
Oh, good.
Wins £10.
Which one your favorite one?
Oh.
That's
I
rubbish.
did enjoy it.
Thanks, Al.
did you?
Thanks for telling me.
There was one here, the fish. Yeah, and that was one.
The
The
potato.
potato, yeah, that was nice. Wasn't it?
That's soft. So they were all nice, really.
I think Nani and Granddad waiting for dessert.
Oh yes, hold on then. One last go and then we better, because they was the chomping at the bit for the
That's
dessert.
right.
Listen, if you don't want to cut this cake, we'll take it downstairs with us when we go.
3 layers.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
I made it in.
It's
I
his
made it
favourite.
Well done.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Okay then. Okay.
happy winky day
Shall we-
to you.
When you cut the cake.
Hey, who wants the first piece? First person to put their hand up.
I think
Me! Ah! Okay, I go
Are you
first.
going to move the toppings or
Yeah, move the toppings, I'll say.
the bits
Move
of
the topping.
greenery?
Move the
You put
lemons.
them on up.
Okay, now
That
it's
is a
time.
Did you make that today?
Yes.
Now it's time.
That is
nice and fresh.
Okay,
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Lovely.
How you're feeling after circumcision?
Good.
Good.
And I feel more like a Muslim now.
Oh. Good
Okay,
boy, Dallas.
that's what happens too.
Chico.
Wow.
Okay, who wants the second piece?
Danny, of course.
Okay, how
Okay.
big? How big?
Oh, I need like yours, aren't they?
Like that, okay. How big? This big?
Oh, God.
Granddad
The
one
rest
of
is
that.
okay.
About the same size as yours, please.
Same size as mine?
Yeah.
Might be more than.
Okay, this is a little bit more. A little bit.
Hang on. How's that?
Yeah, that's better. Do you want one?
Yes.
Of course.
Okay. Enjoy, everybody. That is Dallas. What is?
Itchy.
Oh yes. If itchy is mean getting better, is it right, Daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you want a fork or a spoon?
Use your right hand
Spoon,
down.
please.
A spoon?
Your right hand. That's it. There you go.
That's
it.
I
better.
can't use my right hand.
Why not? There you go.
That's
You're
it.
using it.
Everybody happy today?
Yeah.
Dallas have money. Good.
You did all good.
Okay.
Good lad.
Next episode, Happy Winky Day for Granddad.
Too late.
I wouldn't wait too long.
What do you think, Nani?
Bye everyone.
Bye, bye.
Silakan berkomen.
No comment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for coming to my winky party.
So you swap with Dallas, then lemon cake and then money.
Oh, we don't like the lemon cake.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
go on. Say bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.